In this video, I'm going to try to explain what the Nextdoor app is and how to use it. First and foremost, Nextdoor is an app that acts as a neighbourhood hub. It's about bringing neighbours together. It's about connecting with other people and having a neighbourhood that you can rely on. So let's download the Nextdoor app and get started with this. Now, I have already created an account with Nextdoor, so if you haven't done that, then do that first. So I'm going to log in. So this is what it looks like when you've already joined a neighbourhood. And as you can see, I have joined one, and you get a newsfeed, something similar to the likes of Facebook. You can like a post, you can comment on a post, you can repost something onto your own profile, and we have a few different options along the bottom. So the first one that we have is groups. In here you can see the green join buttons beside different groups that have been created within your neighbourhood, and you can also create a group yourself if you wanted to do so. The next tab across is items that are for sale within your neighbourhood. There are also an option for free items, so this is a great way if you're just wanting to get rid of something within your household and you want it to go to a good home within your neighbourhood, then you can post items onto this particular tab for people to buy or get for free. It's just another great way of connecting with your neighbourhood. The next tab across is notifications. It will basically give you notifications for things that you are interested in or you've signed up for, and that's just where you can keep on top of all of the posts and notifications within the Nextdoor app. And that's the basics of the Nextdoor app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.